Double DIN dash kit for select 2013 up Dodge Ram 1500, 2500 3500 trucks. Designed and manufactured with precision tolerances, resulting in a gapless fit between the dash and the kit. 2013 up Ram 1500, 2500 3500 trucks without 8.4-inch touchscreen. High-grade ABS plastic construction. Made in USA. Top reviews from the United States. Better fit for 2016 Renegade than Metra or Scosche Recommended Kit, with shallow head unit. I ordered this for my 2016 Jeep Renegade after seeing a user on another site recommend it for that application. It's not what Metra lists for the Renegade, and it doesn't include any Renegade instructions, but it does show the Renegade as a compatible vehicle on Metra's site. YMMV, though, as I used a shallow JVC unit. With the shallow head unit, I was able to install with ease using the original ohm trim and no cutting of the dash structure. End result was so much better than either the Metra or Scosche Renegade-specific kits.